What is up, everybody? Welcome to IML Academy. And what I'm going to break down to you guys today is the confirmation checklist, which equals out to high probability trades. Now, as you guys have went through this whole, video section, you guys know everything from support and resistance, also known as a floor and ceiling, price reversal zones, trend lines, and pullbacks. Now, the reason why we have this as a confirmation checklist is it gives us that good and safe feeling for us to press buy and sell at the right times when we need to. And I'm going to break it down how simple it is. So, combining all, the checklists together, the first thing we want to do first is we want to check if there's an area of support resistance. Okay, well, I see one. There's an area of support, there's an area of resistance. Well, at this time, imagine you didn't see any of this part right here. Everywhere from so the only thing you saw was pretty much this. Okay? So pretend this isn't here. So what you want to do is you see an area of support. You look to see if there's an area of a trend line, which there is. Okay? And then you utilize the power of the zones. Now, look how simple this is by combining all them together. So, first one is there support or resistance? Okay, support or resistance, trend line, price reversal zone, and then pullback. Okay, so let's check this out. The fact that price is moving up, what you want is to continue along with market structure into a downtrend. You want to get at the beginning of this trend. Now, most people would have tried to enter off this point here, but at the same time, it's not guaranteed. Okay, what guarantees it really that helps out with the high probability trades is for price to break that level of support and to test as resistance. I'm showing you guys that with this trade setup right here, how simple it is by just crossing off the checklist. Trend line, check. Resistance, check. Price reversal zone, check. And is it a pullback? So that does that mean was the ceiling once a floor? Check. Awesome. All right. That is putting it all together. Let's do another example, right? Another example. All right. So I see a level of support here and resistance, and I could draw a zone out from that area. Say you didn't see anything here. Okay, you didn't see anything there. Okay, so now you have an area of support. You didn't see anything here. You see that price is moving up. You're waiting for it to test. Also, too, you draw out a trend line just to see. Okay, so the fact that price tested here, and now tested off this area is giving you reason of why this is a good trade setup. Now, looking closely, what happened? Area of resistance, check. Trend line, check. Zone, check. And was resistance ever previous support? Check. So what that does is by having these four confirmations, it allows us to enter these trade setups with ease and with comfortability of pressing buy or sell. Okay? We'll do another one real quick. Let's do it from an uptrend. Okay? So what I see here, first things first, I have an area of resistance. I see that it breaks above resistance. Is there a zone there? All right. Yes, there's a zone there. So I draw out this zone. Also, as well, is there a trend line? Yes, there is. Now look how simple that was. The trend line tested once, even here, even though it broke above or broke below, it still closed above. Tested here and tested here. So let's check. Is there support here? Yes. Is there a trend line? Yes. Is there a zone here? Yes. And was support ever resistance? Very much so. Okay? Very much so. You can look at this again. Another example for having all four confirmations. So look closely. Look, level of support and also resistance. Okay? Let me draw a zone. Okay, there's a zone there. And then, is there a trend line? Yes, there's a trend line. So look closely. The fact that it's testing off here once, twice, three times as a slanted level of a floor. There's a level of support here. There was a zone or price reversal zone. And the fact that support was previous resistance gives us all confirmation for this trade setup. Okay? That is combining all the technicals together in order for you to have profitable trades. And it happens time and time again, time and time again. You can see it happening back to back to back. So another example, and last one, right? I see an area of support. Let me draw a zone. I see a zone, right? Is there a trend line? There's a trend line right here. So the fact that it tested once, twice, even three times, tested again as a slanted level of a ceiling. There's resistance, the fact that it closed underneath. There's a ceiling here. There's a zone, and also was resistance ever previous support? Yes, it was. Okay, so now by going through all the videos of all the confirmations and having the checklist of them together allows you to take high probability trade setups to capture as many amount of pips as possible. All right. Thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate you guys. See you in the next one.